Ever had one of those days? I'm having one of those days right now. This is the second time I've had to record this video due to the fact my Rode microphones have been having issues lately to where the point where no audio's being picked up. I don't know what's going on. Maybe I should use AI instead of these damn Rodes. That's what today's video is about. It's about an AI product that was sent to me. I'm hoping you guys are reading it, not me. I'll read it. UMEVO. U-M-E-V-O. UMEVO. This here is a Note AI voice recorder that is powered by ChatGPT, or it says empowered by. I already unboxed it. The unboxing video was a success, except for there was no audio for some reason. So this is the second time this is happening. You're going to see the product after it's already been unboxed. Fantastic, right? Why would you need a product like this? Why would you want a voice recorder? Your phone already has a built-in voice recorder. You already have ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, or some other AI already on your phone. What does this do that your phone doesn't already do? That's what I'm going to find over the next couple of videos. I'm going to put this up against what you have access to on your mobile device. This is a companion for your mobile device. I have not read the instructions yet. I did download the software from the App Store. It works on iOS and Android, so that's great. And all the accessories that you need to be able to connect it, the magnet wallet that it slides into, because it's very small. If you have an Android device, a lot of Android devices like my Samsung actually don't have a thing on the back to stick a MagSafe product on. But don't worry, everything comes in the box. They thought of everything on this product. It's extreme. Before I tell you all about the product itself and show it to you, let me read here on the back of the box exactly what this does. Let me cough first. This is the product itself. It's very small, very thin. If you can see that, if it's focusing. It's very thin. It's about the same exact size as a credit card. At first, when I first did this video, I wasn't sure if it had an LED display. It does. When you power it on, I don't know if the camera can see that, it does have a very small LED display saying it's recording, not recording, and the battery life. So that's pretty handy. It has a charger connector right there that can be used while connected to your phone. Comes with a nice little leather wallet that is MagSafe compliant. It will stick to the back of your phone, and this just slides right down in here. And once it's in, I'm telling you, this is like the third time I've had to take it out. It's not falling out. It's in there super tight. It's actually extremely difficult to get out of this case. The record button is right there, the power button right here, and on the back, as you can see, even if it's on your phone, you have access to the charging port, or terminal, the charging terminal, shall we say. Now on the back of your phone, since I'm using an Apple here, my Samsung's up front, I could use it on that too, but I went ahead and downloaded the software for my Apple that connects to ChatGPT and this device. And as you can see, it's a really strong magnet. It's not going anywhere. And if you're not using this device itself, let me shut it off. If you're not using this device itself, you could slide this out and just put a credit card or two in there and hang around Walt Disney World all day long and not have to worry about your credit cards falling out also. So I would say this holds dual purpose. You can have the recorder in there and or your credit cards, which bonus. So what does this thing specifically do? I don't know. I just unboxed it, and from my conversations with the company that wanted me to do an unboxing video and give an unbiased, honest opinion of the product, as far as I know, it's just an AI voice recorder. But when I was talking with them before they sent it to me, they asked, they told me what it was, kind of, and I told them that sounds interesting. I'm not exactly sure if I could do the product justice, because if it is powered by ChatGPT, what I would use it for is editing or creating video content. Doing a storyboard, taking it, copy pasting it, putting it in ChatGPT, and then having ChatGPT just go ahead and give me the whole list of everything I need to create a video. But I could do that now on ChatGPT. I could just tell ChatGPT what I want. It'll give me a bunch of ideas. I take one, run with it, and it just does the whole thing right there. This here, I think it just transcribes what you want. You copy, paste, and continue, which is an extra step. So I don't know if it's going to be perfect for the situational stuff I want to do, at least having to do with videos. Now, I am going to use it and test it out for what I want to do to see if it cuts my workflow a little bit. I don't think it will, but I'm going to give it a shot. Where I think this is going to stand out is when I give it to Steph, maybe next week. I'm going to use this for about a week, and then I'm going to give it to her to use. And she's going to use it for our finances, for spreadsheets and breaking down all of our money and bills and putting it all together into a spreadsheet. So she, like if she's at the store doing grocery shopping, she could say, okay, I spent this much, I have this much money, I spent this much money, and then put it in. And then she could do it if she's going to get a tea or something at Starbucks. She could put it in and then just keep a total record, because it voice records and transcribes everything. Then she could copy and paste that into ChatGPT itself and have it put your finances in a graph of some sort to where we could know where our spending's going, where our income's coming from. So that's where I think this thing is going to shine for your budgeting, for your household budgeting. And so I'm looking forward to that test. Right now, I'm just going to focus. My goal is to find out what this does better in my use case than what my phone already has built into it. So as for the unboxing, which you guys don't get to see because no audio, I am just going to rate this on an unboxing experience. My unboxing experience is pretty fantastic. Great box. I mean, but it's a box, right? But it did have two peel things, kind of like Apple products do. It was set up like an Apple product. If you've ever had an Apple product and did an unboxing of an iPad, an iPhone, or something like that, it's very much similar to that experience. So good. All the descriptions on the back of the box, great. It tells you everything you basically need to know on the box. But your mind is still open to interpretation to be able to create with this thing, especially because it is empowered by ChatGPT, which that's what I want to find out. Because I already have ChatGPT in the phone, what does this do that my ChatGPT doesn't? I'm intrigued. Just call me intrigued. As for the product itself, the magnet that sticks on your phone, on the wallet, very, very strong. The product itself, you could probably run it over with the car. Don't do that. But if you drop it, it's definitely going to be okay. I'm sure I could throw this like an ancient Chinese throwing star, and nothing would happen to it, especially if it's in this nice leather case. But man, I wouldn't want to. It's actually a very good looking product, and it looks really good on the back of your phone. And also, if you don't want this in, like I said, you could just put a credit card or two in there and go out to dinner or something like that. Unless you want to do some recording, then you're going to have to use your built-in phone stuff. But I'm assuming you might have a tip calculator and everything else on here. It might be able, since it is powered by ChatGPT, it probably does some of the stuff that you could just actually press the button on your phone and ask ChatGPT itself. But I don't know. Like I said, that's my use case. Steph's is going to be totally different. Your use case may be totally different. We're going to give it a shot. Anyway, until the next time, after I'm done testing, I'm going to give this about a week. I'm going to use it for about a week before I give it to her. I'll come back with a second video talking about this. AI is a strange thing. I think it's going to be the end of the internet as we know it. It's going to be the new internet. Right now you Google things, you do everything, you do your web searches, and it's to the point, since AI this year has gotten so smart and can browse the internet itself and give you correct answers, where in the past it didn't. The answers were totally off all the time. But it learned so much and grew so much that now we're on the cusp of losing the internet as we know it, and things are getting ready to change. We have to evolve with the times, and products like this help you evolve with the times. And if we don't, we're just going to be left in the dust. And I don't want to be left in the dust. I don't. And So I'm embracing AI as much as possible, even though it's probably our undoing. I'm still going to enjoy it while I can, and until it takes over everything. What else are you going to do, man? You got to ride the wave before you bail, before you hit the land. All right, guys, if you want this product, there will be a link in the description. I believe that they did send me a associate link, so if you do purchase one, it will help me. And I think I have to look at the email again. I'll let you guys know in the next video of this product of what I think of it itself and the use cases. If there is a like if you get 10 or 20% or something like that off, if that code helps you do that, I'll let you know, and just go from there. I am excited to try it, and I want to thank the company for sending it to me. Once again, there will be a link in the description. This is the product itself, and I want to thank them for sending me this. And yeah, that's my honest unboxing video. Now for the meat and mustard, or meat and potatoes. Meat and potato, not meat and mustard. Meat and potatoes. See you on that one. Peace, everybody.